Hey, this is Alec from Cityhill Insurance, and it is my sole purpose in life to make insurance easy for you to understand. Today we are talking about car accidents. What are you supposed to do after you've been in an accident? What's the protocol? Is there a procedure? Look, I've been there many times. Okay, well, maybe not that many, but let's say between 1 and 8. Yeah, eventually the after accident protocol might become second nature, but if you're anything like the average person and you're not crashing your car every single week, then it might be nice to have a checklist. So I personally made you a checklist that you can download. It's in the description below, and we're gonna go ahead and go through it. So first things first is do not panic. Try to stay calm, try to keep a level head. The last thing you wanna do is panic, freak out, make things worse by jumping out of your car into traffic. That's not what we want to happen. So just try to remain calm. The second thing is, and this is just a quick note here, do not admit fault. I know it can be easy. It's kind of a default sometimes to just, oh, I'm so sorry. That's my bad.
Did I do that?
I hate uncomfortable social situations. I do. And I can easily default to taking credit or blame for things that I didn't even do just to fill some awkward silence. Oh, I'm so sorry. You're looking a little sore. It's probably from when I ran my car into yours. That's my bad. Don't do that. Let the insurance companies work out whose fault it is. So step 3, make sure everybody's okay. Now this may or may not be your first instinct. For some people the reaction is, oh no, my insurance rates are gonna skyrocket, or mom's gonna kill me. You're 30 years old, okay? You're gonna be all right. And your insurance carrier, that's what they're there for. That's why you have insurance. They're there to protect and help you. So don't worry about that right now. Check on the people in your car, check on the people in the other party, make sure everybody is safe.
Are you injured or are you hurt?
Which brings us to step number 4. If everybody's okay, move out of danger. If your cars are functioning, move them to the side of the road, get out of traffic, get out of the intersection, and deal with the rest from there. Once you're out of harm's way, move on to step number 5 and call the police. This is the point where you want to contact the authorities. They can come down and they can help you and the other party assess the damage and the whole situation. Step number 6, take pictures of everything. The damage to all the cars, the street or intersection or parking lot where the incident happened, and get a picture of the vehicle identification number of the other car, and get a picture of the other driver's license. Which brings us to step number 7, which is exchange information. Now, important tip, it's sad but true, people give fake numbers all the time. It's a very common occurrence. So rather than just asking for a number and writing it down or putting it in your phone, what I prefer to do is have them text me a picture of their driver's license. That way I have everything that I need and I'm sure that the number is correct. Now, if you're uncomfortable asking for that, you can also do it the other way. Hey, let me text you a picture of my driver's license, that way you have it. Which brings us to our final step, step 8. Call your insurance agency and file a claim. Now, contrary to popular belief, you don't need to do this on site of the accident. You actually have quite a bit of time before you need to file the claim. So focus on wrapping up at the site of the accident. If you need to get your car towed, get yourself home safely, take a deep breath, and then work on filing your claim. Now, before you go off and get yourself into an accident, just so you can use this checklist that I made you, reach out to an insurance provider and make sure that you're properly covered. Because if you get into an accident and either you or the other party are injured, you can end up paying tens of thousands of dollars out of pocket in medical and other bills.
I declare bankruptcy!
So if you want to make sure that you're properly covered and not at risk of draining your retirement on medical expenses, then click the link in the description and reach out to a Cityhill insurance agent and we'll get you all taken care of.